Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Good performance over the last few days. You will remember we've got our ascending price channel here. And in this ascending price channel, we were looking for a potential bounce to the upside after a 5-wave move to the upside. The bounce isn't clearly corrective, so it would rather confirm at the moment our primary scenario that we could be in a C wave. So it's not too choppy, so I would not rule out that we indeed are finally in the C wave. When can we confirm that? Well, I think it would be really good to see a break above that resistance level. Remember we talked about, okay, 5 waves down, possibly complete, looking for a pullback, or well, looking for a reversal basically, which was confirmed above with a break above this descending trend line. Then I gave you resistance, and the resistance area was going to tell us if we are likely in a corrective rally, basically like this: 5 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. So we would then have basically something more bearish going on. Probably could be a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside, and then a third wave down in the making. But this only if we get a rejection here and then break out to the downside of the ascending price channel. This is certainly a turning point, a potential turning point. Or if it's something more bullish, then we would like to see a break above that 78.6 retracement level. The reason is that if this is bearish, basically assuming that this ABC structure in which price is currently moving is already finished. I mean, remember, what we said is the price is likely in a wave 4. It's an ABC structure and the C wave is an ending diagonal, and ideally we're going to go still higher. But we have enough waves in place to consider this wave 4 complete. And in this scenario, we have to keep our eyes open for a potential follow through to the downside scenario. Eventually we are looking for another low anyway, okay? But at the moment, the expectation would be for higher prices still, especially as long as we are in the ascending price channel and haven't broken below $2.14. But a break below the channel's lower boundary line would be a first step to get to the 214 level and a potential break. So, and this is now the spot where it could turn around and confirm that more bearish scenario, because it could be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, finish this entire overall bear market. And again, as I said, we will expect that anyway. It's just that it's not preferred that this happens already now. So what are the levels to watch out for? So from my point of view, it is here the $2.89 level. We got rejected also at the previous swing high. I think we talked about the level in a previous video as potential small resistance here, $2.86. I might have talked about it yesterday only. And then above that, very, very important level, obviously $2.89, but the key level here is the $3 level. It's the March 23 high and this B wave high. So primary scenario is at the moment a continuation to the upside. However, it is very much possible to see a rejection here. You can see how important the resistance area was that I indicated to you, because we already are slowing down. Rejection where the previous swing high was. So we now need to see if price can push above 289. This is basically a decision point. What is possible from here is, as I said, a bearish follow through, or even something like this where we say, okay, maybe this was some kind of a maybe even the first wave in the third wave, that we get a first deeper pullback, and if that is corrective and is forming a higher low, we can push higher from here. But first of all, what is important now is to watch if we can push above $2.89 to get to $3 next. And then from there, I mean, that would be great, because then we break above this level for the first time in a long time. A price has been below $3 for a long time now and could not get above the $3 level even in March when it tried. So we are following the channel. Now, obviously, we're in the middle of the channel, okay? So there isn't really a great reward to risk ratio unless, but that's a high risk. That's a high risk one for a potential short trade lower, because this is after a small rally, a pivot point, and $2.89 is the key pivot level. but it's highly risky. So yeah, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.